Hi everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome to the tutorial which is going to explain you how to set up a ODBC connection to SQL and use it using Tosca. So what we want to do is we want to pass certain statements here which is going to perform the SQL operations on our machine. So before doing such activity, we want to set up a connection so that the tool is able to interact with it. For that, we need to do the ODBC connection. So the first thing which we need to do is we need to search for ODBC connection. Okay. So it depends totally like what kind of machine you are using. So you need to first check if you have a 64-bit machine or a 32-bit machine. And based on that, you need to open whatever data source you need. So for example, I have a 64-bit machine. I'll be clicking on this machine. And then we need to navigate to the system DSN tab here and we need to click on add here. Here you will get an option of SQL Server. We need to click on this and we need to click on finish here. Here we'll get some options. So we need to give the name, whatever is the name of the credential of your SQL statement. So you're going to put that name here. Description, you can put whatever you want. SQL Server, you need to put the DB details here. Now you'll click on next. You'll have bunch of options. So if you want to, like if you log in into your SQL using your ID password, you select that option. You'll have three other options. Since I don't have SQL installed in my personal machine, I'm not able to show you that, but you'll select accordingly and you'll click on finish. On the last page, once this thing is completed, you'll see an option test source. If you click on that and if you see a result telling us test completed successfully, that means your ODBC connection setup is proper. So once this is done, this particular ODBC connection to SQL will work with other tools as well. But since we are talking about Tosca, we are going to explain that here. So I'm just going to create a, so we need to go to the modules here and Tosca provides us some standard modules. So we need to go to standard modules and we need to click on database. So here you will have options like tbox db open connection, tbox current connection, close connection, run SQL statement. So let me check this out first. uh, Create a test case here. Yes, and we need to copy open connection, close connection, and run SQL statement. We'll copy all these three modules in whatever test case we want, and how we need to put in the details here is, so if you see the first one, open connection. Okay, so we need to key in the connection name here. We can put it anything, so we can put it, for example, test here. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to, second, and we need to close, we need to just put the same connection name here so it will close the connection. Now coming to tbox db run SQL statement, what we need to do here is we need to key in whatever SQL statement we use to write in our SQL query to run a particular command, and we'll key in that statement. I'll just put as test, uh, or I'll put test SQL query, and it totally depends on what kind of query you have here. Before that, we need to go to the tbox db open connection, and we need to key in our DSN name and your user ID and password here. Once you key in all these details here, you key in your SQL statement here, you're closing your connection. Your test case is totally good. You'll not be able to see anything on the front end, but whatever queries you are performing here, that is going to work fine. If you're building the test case for the first time, just see whatever operations you're performing, it is actually happening. So you can go to your application and see how the data has updated or not, and based on that you can see if this is working fine. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys, if you have any questions. Thank you very much, and please do like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Bye bye. Thank you.